And Module 1 is setting up your Auto LIX profile right away.
Auto LIX activated.
Lesson 1.1, creating a professional profile. And these are step-by-step instructions. Go to autolix.com and click sign up as a salesperson. Sign up utilizing your email address. So just put in your email address, your company email address. If you're with a manufacturer dealer, we require you to utilize your company email address. So for instance, if you're at Parks Buick GMC or Parks Buick GMC of Greenville, whatever that is. So for me, it would be Demetrius whatever at Parks Buick GMC Greenville. What this does is allow us to verify that you are a manufacturer salesperson. It's going to be very important when it comes to some things that we're going to speak about in the near future in the other modules. One of those things is going to be leaderboard. If you're in Miami and there's multiple Buick dealerships, but you're ranking very high in regards to your reviews and what the public's seeing, if you're not attached to a manufacturer dealer via your email address, you won't rank on the leadership board, which means you won't qualify for advertisement dollars, meaning, actually, I won't get into all that. We'll get into that on down the modules. All right, so just make sure that you utilize your manufacturer dealer's email address if you're a manufacturer dealer. If you're a used car salesperson, you may have that as well, an extension of your dealership. If not, it's okay to use what you have. We will verify your employment or your standing at that dealership with a phone call. All right, so once you sign up, you're going to go to your email, you're going to hit the link, then you're going to complete your profile with all the following fields. A professional photo. Photo is very important. If you don't upload a photo, you will have a generic photo. If you're female, that photo is still going to be a guy. If you're white, that photo is going to be white. If you're white with long hair, it's going to be a white guy with bald head. If you're black, it's going to be a white guy with bald head. You do not want to be that white guy with the bald head with the generic image. It doesn't give people a face to trust. Then you're going to put in your full name and your dealership's name. If you work at Parks Buick GMC of Greenville, but you're used to saying, hey, I work at Parks, don't put Parks. Put Parks Buick GMC of Greenville. That helps categorize you, and when people come from your area into this app, they don't have to look over you, or you won't be overlooked because you didn't have the correct name of your company. So after that, you want to put your years of experience. If you're just getting in the business, put 1 year. And then you're going to want to put next your specialties. If your specialty is dealing with first-time buyers, dealing with luxury vehicles, if you're at a BMW, Mercedes, Porsche, Range Rover, so on, you're going to want to make sure that you put in luxury. And if, as a salesperson, I would say select them all. Don't miss an opportunity by limiting your customer base to first-time buyers. Put them all in there. Your next step is to create your bio. You got 150 plus words for your bio. You want to make sure that your customers trust you after reading your bio. Use whatever you have to use to create it. Be truthful, be honest. This is one of the first things they're going to see. You don't want to have to try to remember what you wrote. And then from there, you want to put in your phone number, your text number if it's different from your phone number, and you want to make sure that you have, once again, your email address. Okay. Then you're going to click complete, and you're going to compete. But you're going to click complete profile. Now, why this matters, 73% more appointment requests with a completed profile versus an incomplete profile. Buyers trust you before meeting you. They're pre-sold on working with you. You show up in search filters. Incompleted profiles get buried, and you offer professional credibility. This is your digital storefront. So remember that. And we're going to move through. You're a salesperson, so I'm going to assume that you're used to moving fairly fast. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment or inbox me, however school works like on that level. Make sure you get with me or give me a call at 828-242-6016. And just say, hey, this is so-and-so from whatever dealership. I'm in Auto Ally X and I need some assistance or I need some questions answered, and I'll help you.